Alright, so this video is going to be a guide with essentials that you need as a beginner to get a beautiful, flawless wig install. So first things first, shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig to use. I did my best to make this tutorial quick and easy to follow so that we're not here all day. These are all the tools and materials that I believe you need as a beginner, and don't worry, I will re-mention the tools or the products as we get to those steps in the video. First, you need something to keep your hair out of the way. You can use gel or spray for this, whatever works best for your hair type. This next step is optional, but I recommend if you're a beginner to use a wig cap to keep your hair down and prevent any snagging from the wig. As a beginner, having a pre-plucked and pre-bleached wig is the best route for you to go. Matching the lace with your skin tone is essential, and I have found that using either a spray, mousse, or a tint is the best option for this, opposed to makeup. You want to have an edge stick to tame the flyaway hairs, and you also want to have a pressing comb to press those hairs out of the way so everything stays in place while you are applying the wig. The easiest way as a beginner to match your cap to your skin tone is to use whatever mousse or spray you use for your lace so that everything is synonymous. Going back into the wig kit, I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to clip all of the hair that I just placed to keep the hairline out of the way. An eyebrow razor is probably the safest, easiest, and cheapest way to cut your lace. I start by creating slits so I can work in sections. You also want to use your eyebrow razor to cut away the excess lace around your ear and create your sideburns. When it comes to wig applications, you want to walk before you run. So I recommend starting with adhesive spray before you move to glue or tape. You want to get a spray that you trust and a spray that works well with your skin tone and your daily activities. This is one of my favorite wig sprays. It's easy to use and has less of a white cast during the process. Going back in with our trusted eyebrow razor, start to cut away the excess lace. The eyebrow razor is the best because it kind of creates those jagged edges for you that create a more natural hairline and not a straight across appearance. Using the rat tail end of your comb, go back in with your spray and secure any loose flaps or edges of the lace. Be sure that you are using setting foam and not mousse when you go in and apply this all on the hairline to achieve that final melting effect. Make sure you have something to tie down the lace with. An elastic band is going to be the best and easiest option for this. While the lace is melting into the skin, this is a good time to style the hair. Having good quality styling tools goes a long way, so just keep that in mind because your wigs are fragile. The more care that you take of them, the more longevity they will have. While you're styling the hair, it's best to go back in with your edge taming stick in your hot comb to sharpen the part and to tame any flyaway hairs that are remaining. And after you've given your scarf or your band a chance to set and melt that lace into place, then all you do is remove it and enjoy your results. And that is all you need. Those are all the essentials you need to get a beautiful, professional looking install. This wig did most of the work for me. I did minimal work to achieve these beautiful results, so I do recommend getting wigs that are specifically made for beginners. Keep in mind that the better quality of your wig and the better the quality of your lace, the more likely you are to achieve professional looking results of your install. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Until next time.